Welcome to DAGU English. Subscribe now for clear, friendly lessons that help you speak and write English with confidence. Tired of saying very all the time? Learn 15 better words that make your English sound smarter fast. Hello, everyone. I am glad you are here. Today, we will stop overusing the word very. We will learn 15 stronger words you can use instead. These words make your speech and writing more precise and more natural. I will speak slowly and clearly. Repeat after me when I ask you to. Let us begin. Why replace very? The word very is common and useful. However, using it too often can make speech and writing weak. Stronger words give a clearer meaning. They help listeners and readers understand your idea quickly. By choosing better words, you also sound more confident. How to choose a better word? Think about the meaning you want to share. Choose a word that matches that meaning. For example, instead of very big, you can use huge. Instead of very good, use excellent. Try to learn 1 or 2 new words each day. Use them in short sentences to practice. Word 1. Excellent. Meaning, very good. Of high quality. Examples: that was an excellent idea. Her work is excellent. When to use? Use excellent for strong approval, like for a job well done. Word 2. Terrific. Meaning, very positive, impressive, or enjoyable. Examples: the concert was terrific. You did a terrific job. When to use? Use terrific in informal, friendly conversations to express excitement. Word 3. Fantastic. Meaning, very good or amazing, often with excitement. Examples: that movie was fantastic. You look fantastic today. When to use? Use fantastic to convey a strong, positive feeling. Word 4. Huge. Meaning, very large in size or amount. Examples: they have a huge house. The company saw a huge increase in sales. When to use? Use huge instead of very big for clear size or quantity. Word 5. Massive. Meaning, very large, heavy, or important. Examples: the storm caused massive damage. The project is a massive success. When to use? Use massive for strong emphasis on size or impact. Word 6. Tiny. Meaning, very small in size. Examples: the kitten is tiny. He gave me a tiny gift. When to use? Use tiny instead of very small for clear, simple language. Word 7. Rapid. Meaning, very fast or quick. Examples: the car moved at a rapid speed. There was rapid growth this year. When to use? Use rapid in formal and informal contexts to describe speed. Word 8. Furious. Meaning, very angry. Examples: she was furious about the mistake. He had a furious response. When to use? Use furious when you mean strong anger, not mild irritation. Word 9. Miserable. Meaning, very unhappy or uncomfortable. Examples: I felt miserable after the cold. The long trip made him miserable. When to use? Use miserable for serious discomfort or sadness. Word 10. Stunning. Meaning, very beautiful or impressive. Examples: the view from the mountain was stunning. Her dress looked stunning. When to use? Use stunning for strong visual impact or surprise. Word 11. Delicious, meaning very tasty or enjoyable to eat. Examples: the cake is delicious. That meal was delicious. When to use: use delicious for food that tastes very good. Word 12. Precious, meaning very valuable or loved. Examples: this photo is precious to me. The item is precious and rare. When to use precious for emotional or actual value. Word 13. Brilliant, meaning very clever, talented, or bright. Examples: that was a brilliant answer. She is a brilliant student. When to use brilliant for intelligence, skill, or great ideas. Word 14. Freezing, meaning very cold. Examples: it is freezing outside today. My hands are freezing. When to use freezing for strong cold sensations. Word 15. Impossible, meaning very difficult or not able to happen. Examples: it seemed impossible to finish on time. That task is impossible alone. When to use impossible for things you cannot do or that cannot happen. Practice sentences. Now we will practice these words in simple sentences. I will say each sentence slowly. After each sentence, pause and repeat it aloud. That was an excellent idea. The concert was terrific. The painting looked fantastic. They live in a huge house. The storm caused massive damage. The kitten is tiny. The virus spread at a rapid speed. He was furious about the news. She felt miserable after the trip. The sunset was stunning. The soup is delicious. This watch is precious to me. That was a brilliant idea. It is freezing this morning. Finishing the task seemed impossible. Try to change 3 short sentences that use very into stronger forms. I will give 3 example sentences and their improved forms. Example 1. Original: the movie was very good. Improved: the movie was excellent. Example 2. Original: the weather is very cold. Improved: the weather is freezing. Example 3. Original: she was very happy. Improved: she was thrilled. Pause and make your own 3 changes now. Say them out loud. More alternatives and nuance. Many words can replace very, but the best choice depends on tone and meaning. For instance, thrilled is stronger than happy. Impressive works well when you want to compliment skill. Severe can replace very bad in formal writing. Learn common synonyms and practice using them in different sentences. Tone and formality. Some words are more formal than others. For example, rapid fits formal writing, while really fast may work in casual speech. Fantastic and terrific are friendly and informal. Excellent and brilliant can be used in both formal and informal settings. Think about who will hear or read your words and choose tones that match the situation. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Using a new word without checking the meaning. Fix: always check the exact meaning and use a dictionary example sentence. Not all synonyms are identical. Mistake 2. replacing very with a rare or formal word in casual speech. Fix. Choose words that match the setting. Use simple replacements with friends and more formal words for writing. Mistake 3. Overloading a sentence with many strong words. Fix. Use strong words sparingly. Too many powerful words can sound exaggerated or unnatural. Pronunciation tips. Pronunciation helps listeners understand your new words. Speak slowly at first and listen to native speakers. Notice stress and vowel sounds. For example, say excellent with stress on the second part. Practice words in short phrases and repeat them 3 times. Quick pronunciation drill. Repeat each word after me. Pause and repeat. Excellent. Terrific. Fantastic. Huge. Massive. Tiny. Rapid. Furious. Miserable. Stunning. Delicious. Precious. Brilliant. Freezing. Impossible. Using new words in conversation. Try to use one new word each day. Use it in a sentence with a friend or write a short note. When you speak, use the word naturally. For example, say, "The cake was delicious," instead of "The cake was very good." Over time, your vocabulary will feel natural. Short role-play examples. Practice these short dialogues with a partner or aloud. Role-play 1. Complimenting a friend. You. Your presentation was brilliant. Friend. Thanks, I worked hard on it. You. It was excellent. Role-play 2. Talking about the weather. It is freezing today. Yes, I need my warm coat. I know, the wind feels massive. Role-play 3. At a restaurant. The pasta is delicious. I am glad you like it. Yes, it tastes fantastic. Writing practice. Try rewriting a short paragraph that uses very several times. Replace very with stronger words. Keep sentences short and clear. For example, the test was very hard. The questions were very tricky, and the time was very short. The test was impossible. The questions were tricky, and the time felt too short. Study tips and resources. Use flashcards to learn the new words. Create example sentences on your phone. Watch short videos in English and listen for these words. Read simple news articles or short stories and highlight strong words. Practice with a friend or a language partner. Common pairs to remember. Here are some quick pairs that replace common very phrases. Very good. Excellent. Brilliant. Fantastic. Very bad. Terrible. Severe. Awful. Very big. Huge. Massive. Enormous. Very small. Tiny. Minute. Petite. Very happy. Thrilled. Delighted. Overjoyed. Very sad. Miserable. Heartbroken. Upset. Very fast. Rapid. Speedy. Swift. Very cold. Freezing. Icy. Frigid. Very tired. Exhausted. Drained. Worn out. Now, I will say a sentence with very. Pause and think of a stronger word to replace it. Say your answer aloud. This cake is very tasty. The meeting was very long. She felt very sad. The mountain is very large. He is very smart. Check your answers. Delicious, fantastic. lengthy, long, or extended. Massive if many topics. Miserable, heartbroken, upset. Huge, massive, enormous. Brilliant, clever, intelligent. Tips for keeping the change. Changing habits takes time. Do these steps each day. Notice when you say very. Think of one better word. Say the improved sentence out loud. Use the new word in a real conversation or a note. Why this helps. Using precise words improves understanding. It helps you sound more fluent and confident. It also makes your speech more interesting. People will notice your clear and natural language. Review of the 15 words. Let us review each word one more time. Repeat after me slowly. Excellent. Terrific. Fantastic. Huge. Massive. Tiny. Rapid. Furious. Miserable. Stunning. Delicious. Precious. Brilliant. Freezing. Impossible. Challenge for today. Today's challenge is simple and useful. Replace very with one of the stronger words in 3 sentences. Speak them out loud and post them in the comments of this video. I will read and support your practice. Vocabulary grows with small daily steps. Try one new word each day. Use it in speech and writing. Over time, your language will become stronger and more natural. You are doing great. Keep practicing. If you like this lesson, subscribe to DAGU English. Click the subscribe button and the ring bell to get new lessons each day. Join our community and send your sentences for feedback. Goodbye. Goodbye for now. Practice these words today and enjoy clearer English. See you in the next lesson.